A New Mexico woman charged with coughing on a healthcare worker says she's being wrongly accused. So she reached out to Action 7 News anchor Kayla Norwood to share her side of the story.
No reason to call the cops on me.
A former teacher is facing a serious charge after allegedly coughing in a healthcare worker's face at this medical center in Santa Fe. Per a criminal complaint filed last week, the charge is battery upon a healthcare worker, a felony. A felony Joy Ebell tells me she never committed.
You said you did not cough on that healthcare worker.
I did not cough. I did not get in her face. I did not yell.
Ebell says she was just taking her daughter to a doctor's appointment earlier this month and never saw that charge coming. According to Ebell, she walked inside the La Familia Medical Center waiting area because they said she had to accompany her daughter, a minor.
And I was the only one in there. And I did lift up my mask to breathe a little bit since I'm claustrophobic, but I did keep my mask on over my nose.
She was advised to correct her mask, and after the fourth time, they told her she had to leave. That's when things escalated, but Ebell says not the way the healthcare worker described it in the complaint.
Now, she said I was breathing on her nose to nose. That's a lie I would like to see on video. And she started screaming hysterically at me. I don't know if she thought I was going to be hostile, which I was just trying to leave.
If convicted, Ebell could face a $5,000 fine or up to 18 months in prison. As a single mom who's currently unemployed, she's concerned about both.
I'm worried about not being there for my daughter.
Kayla Norwood, KOAT Action 7 News.
Ebell hopes the healthcare worker drops the charges, but for now she is due in court in January.